Hey guys, this is Kay. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today we're going to create this beautiful blue and purple cut crease. And if you're someone like me who has a somewhat different eye shape, one of my eyes is more hooded than the other, you can stick around and see how easy it is to achieve this look. I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. I'm going to go straight into it. So I'm going to start off by grooming my brows. I'm going to use a regular drugstore brown pencil to draw my brows out, and then I'm going to start off by carving my brows out with the LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm going to use a fluffy concealer brush to smooth out the base. I'm using my Coastal Scents Creative Me palette. I'm starting off by packing this red shade all over my crease. Next, I'm going to use the orange shade in the same palette, and I'm gonna pack that just on my brows. After I pack it on, I'm going to blend both shades together so we don't have any hash lines. And I basically blend both shades together by doing a windshield swipe back and forth, and that gives me the perfect blend every time. Try it, you'll see. I'm now going to use the Delanchi Heartquake palette, and I'm using the shade Inferno. Now I'm going to cut the crease using my LA Girl eyeshadow primer in the shade White. I normally tap a good amount of the product on my eyelids and basically do an eye roll and that's how I know how far to go with my cut crease. I'm using the City Color Cooling Breeze drugstore palette. I use the blue shade for the inner corner of my cut crease and the green shade at the outer corners of my cut crease, and I also blended the edges with some of that purple from my Coastal Scents Creative Me palette. I did my lashes and applied my wing liner off camera. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 368, and I'm going to start highlighting now. I'm using the shade Beautiful Bronze in my LA Girl concealer. I'm just gonna blend that out using my beauty blender. I'm gonna highlight a little more using the LA Girl concealer in Chestnut. And now I'm gonna set that highlight using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and normally I would dip my damp beauty blender in it and blow off the excess and basically pat it into my skin. Now I'm gonna contour using my Anesthesia Contour Series powder from Tan to Dark, and I'm using the darkest shade in the palette. Here I'm applying some of the red from the Coastal Scents Creative Me palette under my eyes.